All right, so we are going to do a quick tutorial on Google Sites and how to create one. So I'm going to give you the very basics. So I'm here. I'm just going to show you how to get here. You go to your waffle up here. Then you go to Google Site. As you can see, I already had it open here. And of course, it saves it in your cloud. So here's the site here. But if you were to first go, you can go to create. And once you go to create, say in classic site or in new site. So we're going to do in new site. And that's how you create a new site. So once this comes up, this right here is your title page. You can select your audience, whatever. You're going to get a whole bunch of pop-ups when it comes up, but don't worry about it, okay? So from here, you can change this image. This is your page title, and then all it is plug and play. Plug and play. That's it. So right here, title. So if you want to do the Bianca Experience, just type it there. Or if you want to do any other name, of course, you just put here. Let's go with that. All right. Now, if you want to change this color, you can come here and you can change the image. You can change the header type. So let's go with change the image. You can upload a file, or you can select the image that's already there. So I'm going to upload an image. Got to give my computer a little time or whatever. But if I'm going to upload an image, let's go to my pictures. Let's see what I have in here. Let's just pick one, Jazz. Pick one. Let's do that. All right. So usually if I choose an image that already has a title behind it, then I can just go here and I can delete this. Okay. And so it's just that. Now, if I want to change my header type where it's either the cover, a large banner, regular banner, or the title only, then I can. And this is how you would do that. All right. So if you want to reset it to what it was before, you just go to reset. And just like with any other Google product, how you have your undo and your redo, you also have that here. So here is your undo. You can undo it and it's still there. Okay. This right here is your preview. Of course, it's a looking eye. So it's your preview. You can preview what your site is going to look like. Like for me, I don't like that because I'm just very particular about how certain things look. Once you've previewed your site, you can go back and it takes you back. Okay. If you want to share with other people, so say if you're building yours and you want to share the information with me, or if I build yours and I want to share this with you, just go to share people here. And you can invite certain people, and those people can either have the right to view only or edit or whatever. So if we get at this, you go to done. Now, if I want to add a text box, say I want to start building down here and I want to add a text box, then I'm just going to go and I'm going to do a text box. And as you can see, we're in our insert version. So this ribbon to your right is going to give you your insert, your pages, and your themes. So insert is everything that you want to insert or embed. So you can insert your text, you can insert images, you can insert things from your Google Drive, or you can embed certain links. So if you have links to specific places like your Visita, if you have a specific form, you can embed that as well. But here is everything that you want to put in to this Google site. It's going to be right here in the insert part. They also have layouts for you. So if you want to do a specific layout, it'll lay everything out. So say if I want this first layout right here, then I can do that. If I want this second layout right here, then I can do that. All right. And after I show you all of this, I'm going to also show you what my Perfect Mommy Mix one looks like. All right, so that is the insert page. So of course you have all of your layouts. Now, if there is a specific button that you want them to press, like I know like in MailChimp, I haven't really played with ConvertKit, but I know in MailChimp how you can set up those emails, and you can also insert a button, and that button can lead somewhere else. Same thing here. So you can insert a specific button. Let's see. Boop. And then you can name the button. So you can name it Get Your Free Coupon, or sign up for my email list. Why am I typing like this today? Okay. Sign up for my email list here, and then you can insert the link, and then you just go to insert and it's going to embed it. But if you don't do anything, it's fine. Divider is just that. It's just going to divide different sections that you want. If you want to insert one of your YouTube videos, so I know that you have a lot of, maybe you have some content that you're repurposing and you want to put a specific video on a specific page. Let's just say you're building this site for a specific class. If this was processes that leads to profit, this course, and you wanted to house that course in Facebook, but you want to put everything on this site just because it's easier for you to plug and play, then you can do that. Of course, you can share that link, and then they can just always click on that link. Or again, if there was a YouTube video that you want to embed in here, you just go to YouTube like this. You can either upload that video, or you can search for that video and then you can upload it right in. And then once you're done, you do select and it'll put a YouTube video in there. Same thing with a calendar. So self-explanatory. If there's a specific place that you want them to go, or you want to give an address or whatever, you can do that. You can put that in there. Different docs, if you already have like a Google Doc where you told about how we went to that particular Google Doc that you created that stated all of the rules of the group, that Dope Genius group that we're in right now. That Google Doc, you can just upload it right into your Google Sites. Same thing with Excel spreadsheets, same thing with forms, same thing with charts. You can all embed it, and it'll all be in this insert portion of your ribbon. Then you have your pages. So you have a home page, and then if you want to add to that, you can duplicate the page, you can tell about the properties, or you can add a sub page to a page. All right. So let's just say I want to add a page. Okay. So let's do this. I'm going to add a sub page first. Oh. No. Didn't want that. We're going to add a sub page. So home, and then we're going to put day 1. Okay, day 1 is under home. So you can see how that goes over like a regular sub page. All right. But let's go back here. I was trying to make sure that it wasn't there. But let's just say I wanted to hide that page. Then I would do this. Okay, just hide that page. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. It takes us to our home page. All right. So your different properties, you can do advanced, and then you can do a custom path. We'll talk about that later. It's a whole bunch of stuff we can do with that. Here are your themes. So you can do specific colors. And I'm going to tell you this. Google is very simple. You can make it as spicy as you want to, but they have these 5 themes. So if you're looking for something simple, basic, chic, to the point, but still, you can still put your different pictures and stuff in. Then you can also, change your format, change your color scheme once you're there. You can get, you know, all these different other colors. I can tell you about a website where you can go and find different colors that work well together. I did that a lot on some of the stuff that I did for school. And yeah. Let's see. Let's do, why do I keep doing that? I didn't mean to. Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you want a little bit more, then we can do a little bit more. But that's basically it. You have your insert box where you're going to insert everything that you need and or you want. You can minimize it or maximize it as far as the layouts, your different buttons, your different pages. Here's where you would add certain pages. And yes, you always want to go up here and you always want to title your Google Docs. And then it tells you that you renamed it. So after you've done that, you can publish it. And then right here, here is where you can manage how you publish it. You can name the actual web address that you want to. And the other thing about it is if you wanted to embed your own, if you wanted to use your own domain that you've already purchased, you can do that as well. I didn't do that for mine because that was just something like a class that I wanted to hold or an area that I wanted people to visit. Like I didn't want it to be my main thing, but because you say you want it to be your main thing, then you can definitely do that. So yeah, after that, let me show you what mine looks like. The one that I created. I know I let you look at it, but I'm just going to pull it up so you can get a better idea of it. And why is it taking so long to come up? So let's see. That's not the one I wanted to pull up, but that is the one you hit, girl. So that's what's going to come up. All right. So here is the Perfect Mommy Mix one that I created for my online fitness club. As soon as it comes up, as soon as my computer says that it wants to bring it up, we're going to bring it up. And so this is it in its, you know, me creating form. And my computer wants to go slow. Yep, it wants to go slow. Yep, it's over here. Just thinking. But I can send you mine, so I'm not going to even waste the rest of our time waiting on this slow behind computer today. But that is pretty much how you create a Google Sites. And like I said, you can do it yourself, or if you want to, I can do it for you. It gives you what it will look like. You'll be able to preview it in, you know, computer mode or PC mode versus phone. And so this is what it looks like. Once you get done previewing, you can, let me move this here. Once you get done previewing, you just go back. Just back down. If you go to my pages, I just added pages in here, added sub pages where I needed them. And so this is what they see when they come in. This is what they see. Everything is going across the top. I don't like the way that looks right there, but it wasn't like that before. And it's just very, very simple. Yours doesn't have to be this simple, but that's just how I did mine for what I was doing. So just tell me what it is that you want, or you can do it yourself. Let me know, and I'm ready when you are. Thank you. Bye.